Now for creating pentagon, I am using 3 different color strips. Okay, it actually looks nice, and the length of the strip is 42 centimeter each. Okay, then I have used a stencil. If you don't have stencil, no problem. I'm using normal quilling needle and a toothpick to apply glue and a small pin to unwind it. First we are going to stick this 3 strips side by side. So let's do that. So now let's make this paper little bit smoother, because we have stuck these 2 strips, right? So we have to make this little bit smooth. That means when we will coil them, it will not form any gaps. Okay. So now the next step is I'm going to quill it using quilling needle. If at all you don't have quilling needle, then you can just quill using your hands. Now here, as we have made this 2 strips very smooth, okay, by moving our quilling needle over it, so you can see there is no gap over here. So this is also a one tip that can avoid the gaps. So do you find any gaps? No gaps, right? Fine. So now I'm going to remove it, and as we did for triangle, just press the layers properly. Whether they are intact or not, you can check that. And we're not going to stick it, we'll stick it later. Okay, so now we are going to make a square. So for that you have to apply a little pressure. So do this as a marquee, okay, and do this. So do you see a square? Do you see a square is forming? Okay, so now I'm going to leave it in this circle. Okay, this is just a random circle, but I'm going to leave it in this, inside this. So as you can see, the pentagon is taking shape. Now you can see that it has taken its final shape, right? Wait. So now you can see it has already formed a good vortex inside. I hope you can see. In case you don't see, then what we can do is just hold it very gently and try to twist it. That's it. Same I did for this. I just twisted it in between, holding in between, and it formed a good pattern.